Okay guys, so I'm gonna try to replace this soft top. It's really messed up, so hopefully I'm able to do this. This is gonna be my first time doing it. So yeah. Also, I always wanted to do this. Damn, now I gotta do it. Okay, so I've seen some people that just go straight and cut this out, but also for this one, like 2000 and up, 2002, they have this defroster or whatever. So I'm not gonna do that until I see where the cable is for that, because I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a cable somewhere back here. But I will cut it somewhere over here to make access for the plastics in the back and to see the cable. So yeah, let me just figure it out, and I'll show you guys how I did it. Okay, so the wire I was talking about, it's over here. I almost got it. It's right here. I was going like this. If I would have gone a little bit further, I would have chopped that shit. So just cut the window. Before you get here, be careful. Then now we're gonna try to disconnect it. I think you just pull it. Yep. So you just pull it out, and then right here is like a little clip to open it, so you can pull this wire through here and then move it out the way. So next, it's gonna be these plastics. You just push in the middle, and then it should like loosen up, and then just pull it up. Just be ready to buy new ones, because a lot of these things are going to break. Okay, so after this one's out, you gotta go in the trunk and push those pins up. Unless you can like pull this shit. Oh shit. Oh, you can just pull it up. Never mind. So yeah, either that or take everything apart inside the trunk. Okay, so your plastic screw right here, another screw right here. Okay, to remove the one right here, there's some screws right here, one right here, one hiding in here. So to get to that one, remove the plastic right here, and there's two screws right here, this clip right here, so you can move the one over here. Once you move that one, then you get to this screw right here, then you can lift this up, and then you can get to this, so you can get to the bolts over here on the sides. So now I'm gonna do the same over there, but over there I'm gonna be careful, because that's where the defroster wire is. Also, you gotta disconnect the seat belt, so you can move this up. So yeah. Okay, so after that, now you can get to these bolts. Oh shit. Anyways, yeah, they're going to be tense. Don't lose them. Okay, so open it a little bit, and you get through this, just pull it out. Well, first, all those metals are gonna come out, and you can pull this shit up, this thing out. Okay, so you start pulling this out. You're probably gonna end up cutting it again right here, from here, just a little bit. So you can, once this is out, then the whole window is gonna come off, and then we can focus on this part right here. Right here, right over here on the top, there's another screw for this one. That's the only screw that's holding it. And there's some clips. I don't know how to reach this one. You need a short screw, cross tape. And for this one, I even noticed them until I pulled them already. And since I didn't have a short screw for this one, I just pulled it out. So there's that. After that, the shit is ready to go in the trash. Actually, it's not ready for the trash yet, because you gotta undo these rivets right here, take them out, because this is where the new one's gonna go in. So just drill this out for the new one. Okay, so I'll drill some out already. Got this one. There's this other one. It's pretty much all you gotta do until they come out. Oh, sorry. That's it. Okay, so now there's this plate right there. It's right here. There's a bunch of screws, and there's this one over here. Take them out, and then pull this, so you can get to this one right here, to these screws. Oh shit! This one's ripping apart. Oh shit! Oh, I think you're gonna need some glue for this corner right here, and probably this now. So yeah, let's take this metal plate right here. It's gonna be the same for this one. Plates over here. Actually, I don't know if you have to take this one off, but if you have to, that's how you take it off. And for this one, the same thing. This one's gonna let it chill right there. Okay, so then there's this cable right here. It's on both sides. So if you move this thing around, it comes all the way over here, and then there's a spring right here. So just get to it, and then there's a screw on it. Let me see. Oh, it's right here. So just try and take that one out, so you can slide it out and then slide it back in when you get the new top. So once you take this out, now there's some rivets right here. Take them out, and then you're gonna use the screwdriver or something, pry this open all the way across. There's like 3 of these that you're gonna have to do. So this is gonna be next or after this. So for this, there's a clip right here, and I believe there's like 2 other screws in there that you gotta take out, so you can get all of these out. So I already drilled this out. I'm just gonna go ahead and do this part right here. Okay guys, finally. So this was like the last part. Well, and then this, and then the whole thing comes off. So now I'm gonna go buy a rivet gun so I can start doing this part right here, and then hopefully these straps are the same and I don't have to change them, because honestly I don't want to do this, even though they did it kind of ghetto, but they worked this whole time. So yeah, I'm gonna get started on the reinstall. Okay, so here's the one that I'm going to be using. It's Robbins freaking soft top for the S2000. If you're wondering where I got it, just Google it, or I got it from eBay or Amazon, one of those two. Just make sure it's this brand if you want to use the same one. I heard a lot of people talk about it, so that's why I'm going with this one. So I'm gonna open it. I already opened it, but I retaped it, so I gotta reopen it. Okay, so here it is. So there's this stuff, another strap, I'm guessing. A few other rivets, a lot. Let me see. And I think that's it. This is the lifetime warranty and all that stuff. I think you gotta get it installed on a shop or something. I don't know. I'm gonna read it. Hopefully I get some warranty on it. So yeah, it comes with a glass already. So I wanna open it and figure out how I'm gonna do this so I can rivet this thing. I already bought this rivet gun so I can install it with. So yeah. Okay, so the rivets that came with it, they kind of suck. I was only able to do one. So, sorry for the shakiness. Okay, so the rivets that come with it, they look like this, but they suck, bro. They break. Like, this is the only one that I got to work, and I don't even trust it, but I can't take it out, so I guess it's good now. But I ended up getting washers and some rivets from AutoZone. So now it's riveted on. Now I'm gonna grab it and then put it on the car. I'm gonna start doing it backwards from back to front, and I'm gonna reuse these ones. And I'm gonna see if I'll probably replace these ones too, because I'm guessing they're supposed to stretch, but this one's don't even stretch no more. So I'm gonna replace this. So once you get the top, you grab it, you put it on here, and then sandwich it between the car and these plates, and then start bolting it back on. So now I'm going to drill this out, the rivets from this one, and put the new straps that it came with. Okay, so I have this already in the holes. I'm putting these metal plates in it, and then now, before you keep going, you're gonna need to start putting this one on there. Make sure you clean it, because it's probably the last time you're gonna be able to do it easily. Get all this thing, man. So yeah, and then remember about the defroster, so just get it through there and then hook it up. So I'm guessing these two pieces should be the next ones after you put this right here where this one's at. That way you can get the cable and then hook it up, and then after then you should start doing all these metal plates. Okay, so it's been 3 days now. I was trying to put the little metal plates that go in there, and I couldn't do it yesterday. So at the end, I found out I was putting them upside down. So make sure the little, like the plates, they're like this, right? And then on the top, they have like little folding spot right here. So that goes up. Now I was putting it the other way. like this, with that part in the bottom, and that's why it wasn't going in. So make sure you don't do that, and also make sure you put this strap between the plate and the plastic from the top. I went ahead and I put the first plastic. I ain't put it in yet because it goes behind it goes after, but I put this plastic right here so I can put the cable and hook the wires and everything. So that one's just right there chilling. It's not put on yet. So next I'm gonna do these things right here, and then after that I'm gonna go ahead and try and get this thing through there too, through here. So it's just kind of nice that they put this thing right here so you can tie this wire and pull it out. It comes all the way through here. So I'm gonna hook up this little wire to this and pull it through here. So that's nice that they added this to it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this part first. Okay, so I got this wire done already. I got this. So now you gotta rivet this thing here. Then after that is just one of this. I think it's this one. That one screws on top of it. And then, oh, don't forget about the ones right here, the two screws. Might have forgotten about that. So then after the screws, the metal plate, yeah, it's gonna be this. Remember the clip right here. Then this one, and this one with all the screws. I think you gotta glue it here. Okay, I got the screw in there, the little thingy. So the rubber's on there. I'll do the same over here, except I don't have to like use any more of the rivets. And I'm gonna put this on there, and I'm gonna find some glue so I can glue this down. And then after that, it's just pretty much the plastics in there, and that should be it. So almost done. Okay, so at the end you get this done, put the glue, hold it in place till it dries over there too. Then the next thing is gonna be closing it. Once it dries up, I'm gonna try and close it. Okay, so here's the top after a few months. I'm going to close it and see how well it closes now. At first you kind of have to help it, but after a few months it's supposed to stretch and close by itself. Okay, now we're gonna see if it closes by itself. And sorry for the shakiness, I'm holding it with my left hand. Oh, not yet. Still needs a little bit of help. Oh, fucking shit. Okay, so still needs help. Okay, I think it's been like 2 months. Still need some help. But at least it looks clean. I mean, it's not clean now. I cleaned it, but there's no rips, nothing. No wrinkles. It looks like shit because got a bunch of dust. Fits perfect. No wind noise. So that's pretty much it, guys. If I had to do it again, I would just buy a hard top. These things kind of difficult to do.